Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how I do pedicures. I started off by taking warm water in my foot spa and taking about 2 teaspoons of a foot soak. The foot soak is awesome as it neutralizes any bacteria that causes odors, and it also causes dead skin to come right off. After my client soaked her foot in for a while, I took my e-file with a medium grit sanding band and I removed any old product. I do this carefully. I don't want to hurt my client. Remember when using an e-file to always ask your client if she's comfortable. Press your finger on your client's toenail to prevent any heat from building up. I use my index finger and my thumb to pull down the sidewalls of my client's toenails to prevent them from getting cut. After I'm done filing, I go in with a toenail clipper and shorten my client's toenails. When doing this, remember to always leave a piece of toenail behind so you don't cause your client any discomfort. After my client soaked her feet again for a while, I let her remove her right foot. I go in with a cuticle pusher, which has a scraper at the back. When doing this, I don't use any pressure on my client's nails as I don't want to hurt her at all. The soak had to do its job by now. The white pieces you see me rubbing on the towel is actually dead skin buildup from the nails. If you see yourself struggling, you can always ask your client to soak her feet a little bit longer. Another option is using cuticle remover on the nails. This will make your job a lot easier as well. My client had a bit of an ingrown toenail, so that's why you can see me going in with a cuticle nipper. I took it at an angle, just cutting the part of the nail that was growing into the skin. Please, if you don't know how to do this correctly, don't do it, as you can really hurt your client. After this, I just made sure to remove any excess skin buildup that was caused by the ingrown toenail. I then used my e-file and a sanding bag to remove any dead skin on my client's feet. I do this very gently. Don't file too deeply as you can seriously hurt your client. I use the forward and reverse motion to get any skin that might be split at any angle. I then go in with an amazing foot scrub and remove any excess skin from my client's feet. Remember to do this very gently, as a foot scrub can easily become quite uncomfortable for your clients, and they should always enjoy their experience. After my client washed her feet off in the foot spa, I took it out and dried it completely. I then go in with her own file and shaped her nails. I then use my cuticle bit to clean any dead skin that might be on the nail plate. Note that I never press the tip of the cuticle bit into the skin or onto the nail, as you can cause serious damage. I then take my e-file with a medium grit sanding band and remove any shine from the net. I also do this to ensure that there is no product left over from the last session. After I'm satisfied with the nails, I go in with a nail brush and use some sanitizer to dust in between the nail crevices. This is amazing as it removes any dust that might be caught in your client's sidewalls, as well as the cuticle area. Do this very gently, you don't want to hurt your client. After I'm done, I use a lint-free wipe with sanitizer and wipe off the nails. I then use a dehydrator and primer on the nails, after which I use a rubber-based gel. I use 2 layers and I cure each layer for 60 seconds in an LED lamp. After it's done, without wiping the sticky layer, I apply about 3 coats of the gel polish. You don't have to do 3 layers, it does depend on the opacity of your color. When I'm satisfied with the opacity of the color, I apply a no wipe top coat, which I cure for 120 seconds in an LED lamp. After that, I make sure that there's no spiky parts of the nails. If there is, I just file them down. I then go in with a cuticle oil and rub it into the nail as well as underneath the nail. And then for the final part, I use a foot cream and massage my client's feet. And that's it guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the thumbs up button and remember to subscribe. Bye!